Hey everyone, welcome back. So in this video, we're gonna talk about Job Hunter app. But is it actually real or just another time waster? Quick disclaimer, all the information in this video is based on research and personal opinion. The Job Hunter app claims to help us find online jobs and earn money easily through their mobile devices. Sounds convenient, right? But here's the catch. There's barely any credible feedback available. The app appears on Google Play, but detailed reviews are lacking. No strong presence on Trustpilot, Reddit, or reliable job forums. That's not necessarily a deal breaker, but it's definitely a red flag when combined with other missing details like the team behind the app, payout proofs, or a clear business model. Many apps in this category promise fast earning just to drive downloads, and without solid transparency or third party verification, that promise gets shaky real quick. So, is Job Hunter app real or fake? Based on what we've seen, it leans more toward questionable. The lack of verified reviews, limited information, and no proven payout track record make it risky. If you're serious about earning online, it's best to stick with more established platform. Thanks for watching. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.